Is your Google Chrome hogging literally gigabytes of your precious RAM? You are definitely not alone. Chrome is fantastic, but it's notorious for eating up memory. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to dramatically cut down on Chrome's RAM usage and get your PC running fast again. Let's get started. Go to your Google Chrome browser and click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Then click on settings. Then in left menu pane, click on performance. Scroll down. Here you will find memory and you can turn on memory saver so that Chrome frees up memory from inactive tabs. Just click here to turn it on. By default, balanced is selected. Select maximum to get maximum memory saving and it will improve your Google Chrome performance significantly. Scroll down again. Here under speed, you will find preload pages. While preloading speeds up browsing, it uses extra memory by loading links you have not even clicked yet. So to save memory, you have to turn it off. Just click here to turn off preload pages. Now next step, in left menu pane, scroll down, click on system. Here you will find continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed and it uses huge system memory on your computer. Just turn this off. Use hardware acceleration when available. If it turn on, then it will use huge system memory and you need to turn it off to save memory and then click on relaunch. Click on three dot icon on upper right corner and go to more tools and click on task manager and here find the extension which using more memory and CPU and then you need to remove the extensions. Close task manager, click on three dot icon on upper right corner, then go to extensions and click on manage extensions and you need to turn off and remove extensions as many as possible. Remove all unnecessary extensions from here. That's it. These steps will stop Chrome from using too much system memory on your computer.